Combat drones have become a mainstay for Ukraine to contain Russia, especially with the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2. But if true, the United States will send one of its most terrifying drones. A few months ago, the ambassador of Ukraine to the United States, Oksana Markarova, had met with the drone manufacturer General Atomics. To talk about this drone, the possibility that the MQ-9 Reaper will be delivered to Ukraine, General Atomics is the California-based maker of the MQ-9 drone. Oksana Markarova has been in discussions with General Atomics about the prospect of increasing Air Force capacity. Regarding the current conditions in Ukraine, those talks for the purchase of the MQ-9 Reaper drone. The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aircraft developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Air Force, United States Navy and Royal Air Force. MQ-9 Reaper is controlled by 2 people remotely. The drone can also travel up to a speed of 370 meters per hour and has the ability to accurately fire at enemy targets. The MQ-9 is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the previous General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. This drone is controlled by the same ground system used to control MQ-1. This drone can also carry 4 missiles weighing 2,223 kilograms when empty and can carry a maximum load of 4,760 kilograms when in service. The MQ-9 Reaper is capable of flying more than 40 hours and flying 1,200 miles with a light payload. The drone has a unique ability to carry out launching, coordination and reconnaissance of targets. The MQ-9 is a 2.2-ton Hunter unmanned aircraft designed for high endurance and high-level surveillance, intelligence roles, and reconnaissance. The MQ-9 engine has an output of 900 horsepower, reaching a top speed of 482 km per hour. The size of this drone is quite large compared to drones in general. The MQ-9 has a length of 11 meters, a height of 3.81 meters, and a wingspan of 20 meters. The price per unit of the MQ-9 drone is fantastic at $64.2 million, so the MQ-9 Reaper drone can carry many weapons weighing up to 1,000 kilograms, and the mounted missiles can mount enemy tanks. In this MQ-9 Reaper operation minimizes the number of personnel deployed to the site and simplifies the command and control system. Designed by Abraham Karam, this drone was first flown in 2001 and is still used today. Some of the countries that use this drone are Spain, Australia, Germany, France, India, the Netherlands, to the United Kingdom. The MQ-9 has 6 ammunition slots that can hold 680 kilograms of ammunition, a center wing of 270 kilograms of ammunition, and an outer wing of 91 kilograms each. The ammunition that can be carried includes AGM-114 Hellfire missiles to GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs. The MQ-9 Reaper flies for up to 35 hours. With an external fuel tank, the service life of this drone can be longer, up to 49 hours or about 2 days. The installation of weapons or fuel tanks on the MQ-9 is very flexible, adjusting the mission in operation so that it can destroy other aircraft or drones. These remote-controlled drones can destroy other drones with the help of satellites. In addition to dropping bombs and launching missiles at ground targets, MQ-9 can perform air defense missions. MQ-9 Reaper is capable of performing missions to difficult targets. This advanced drone is able to circle around significantly before making a landing, has a multi-mode communication circuit, and precise weaponry. The MQ-9 Reaper is designed to have high endurance, and is able to fly at maximum altitude with a cruising range of 1,150 miles with the ability to fly at an altitude of 50,000 feet. This drone is shaped like a fighter plane and has interesting technology in controlling unmanned aircraft to attack the enemy without the presence of the enemy. The drone also provides a unique ability to conduct attacks, coordination, and reconnaissance against high-value, fleeting, and time-sensitive targets. The MQ-9 Reaper can also perform missions and many tasks such as intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue. MQ-9 has been equipped with a camera, but don't be the same as ordinary camera. Drones can record 4K videos, the results must be clear, but this MQ-9 drone takes pictures not at close range like ordinary drones. From high altitude and speed, MQ-9 camera can read license plates from a distance of 3.2 kilometers. In addition, there is also an infrared feature that can observe day and night terrain. The MQ-9 Reaper was the main offensive attack of drones for the United States Air Force. Not just any aircraft, the MQ-9 Reaper drone is known as one of the most advanced aircraft belonging to the United States. All of that equipment provides unique capabilities for the MQ-9 Reaper. The drone consists of a ranked pilot to control the aircraft and command missions, while the rest of the troops are tasked with operating sensors, weapons, and conducting mission coordinators if needed. MQ-9 is the result of several abbreviations. M refers to DoD for multi-role, Q means the aircraft system tested remotely, while the number 9 means the ninth vehicle of a series of aircraft that are tested remotely.